Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can fix an error occurred while launching this game no licenses error on Steam when you try to run a game. So first, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below and just click on it. You'll be taken here. Click on latest build and a zip file will be downloaded. Go to wherever you have downloaded the file, right click on it and click on extract all. You can extract it anywhere you want. Just click on extract. Once the file has been extracted, the extracted contents will be opened up in your PC or computer. Now, if you are on Windows, you need to copy these two files. If you are on Linux, you need to copy the files inside this x64 if you are on 64-bit version of Linux, and you can need to copy these two if you are on 32-bit version of Linux. Since I am on Windows, I'll just copy these two files. To select these two, I'll just click on one, press Ctrl and click on another one. So both of these are selected. You can copy these files and now open your Steam, go to your library, right click on the game that is not running with the license error, go over manage and click on browse local files. Here, just paste the two files that you have copied from the folder that we had just extracted. And if you're asked do you want to replace the file, just replace the existing files. And now you can close Steam, open it again, and after you have opened it again, you will be able to play this game successfully. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.